Hello guys, I have just found out about this and I'm very excited to share this with you. First of all, this is my original footage. It's so shaky as you can see. And next, here is the video that has been stabilized. So smooth, I love it. I've just looked at the internet to see if there is a software that can stabilize video, and it turned out that Google has it. It's Google Photo. I have this app for years and I thought I can only use it to save pictures online. How wrong I was. Okay, tap your Google Photo icon. Then pick a video you are going to stabilize and click edit. Wait for a while until you see a square icon next to a speaker icon and click it. And it's stabilizing your video. When it's done, tap the Save Copy on the right down corner. And it's saving your video now. You will find your stabilized video in your Google Photo and in your phone storage. That's it. Easy, right? To those who already know how to stabilize video using Google Photo, and you feel like you need to share something with us here, please do so in the comment section. And that's all from me now. Thank you for your attention. See you guys later.